Hey loves, Merry Christmas! So you can feel it. Don't forget to say it. Okay? Hey loves, Merry Christmas! I hope you guys had a really blasting Christmas. This video I'm going to live. Christmas is already past. So I hope you guys had a really good Christmas with your family and friends. Now I'm going to go outside for the Christmas. I'm going to go for visiting church and going to get some food. I hope you guys going to like this vlog. Now I'm going to get ready. And when I'm going to get ready, I'm going to check in again. Okay, I've changed my outfit and put some makeup on. And and if you want to know what makeup I will take, I have already a tutorial on it. So I'm going to put it in the other gel or in the symbol so you can see it. Don't forget to see it. Okay? I'm going to share my outfit soon and I'm going to go out right now and hopefully you're going to see what I'm going to do. Ta-da! Ta-da! No ta-da!
Okay, this is my outfit. I have a jumpsuit and a white t-shirt, and I'm doing my videos on my mobile, so the lighting maybe go ups and down, and the frame maybe not that much good. I'm really sorry for that, but bear with me, okay? And this is my makeup slash get ready section. This is my mirror, this is my drawer, which is really mess right now, so I'm not going to show you that. Later we will go outside and see what we can do. So yeah, I have reached to the church and this is the view. There is a cemetery, and but unfortunately we couldn't go to the church, like the previous church. But at that time when I was in 4:30 something like that, and that time the church was closed, so I couldn't go there. So sad. But instead of that, I just walked there and showing me the footage of the church. It's actually a school and the church is inside the school. So I will show the school section. I just showed the church part. And also there was decorations going on obviously, so the place was quite crowded. I'm not going to lie. So the footage and also the footage, oh god, the footage is hell shaky. I'm so sorry for that. Please bear with me. This is my kind of silent vlog about the first vlog outside of house. So I hope you guys going to forgive me for that, okay? Now I'm just going out somewhere to eat, and in the meanwhile I am showing you some aquarium. That was the roadside aquarium, but the fishes was like so cute and so vibrant. This was so pretty. Here we have reached to the restaurant, and here's the view of the restaurant, and here's me. And we headed to the rooftop. The rooftop was obviously dark. There was a green light going on, so the food is a little bit dark and gloomy. Sorry for that again. I'm saying so much sorry, but yeah, please bear with me. We took butter chicken masala and paratha, but I don't have any footage of coming home, so enjoy it. And later I have a decoration video which I have done for my videos and for Christmas. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also you can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. Tada! Take care.